Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another plan with me for the week of my birthday. I'm doing one in my Erin Condren. I'm going to be using Celebrate by SadiesStickers. I think this kit is so beautiful and I needed to use it, so I'm using this in my EC, and then I used a kit from Hello Petite Paper in my daily inserts from Jasenia Printables in my newest edition. So I will leave the link to that below. So if you want to see that, I will be talking about more of my week versus like talking more, just a chit-chatty one where this is going to be a voiceover. So we're going to get into it. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I will talk to you all soon. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my bottom washi. I'm just going to use the 2 washi strips that came in the kit, and you could definitely opt one of these out and use some Simply Gilded washi tape or use any other washi. I decided just to use these because I liked them and I had a little idea, which you will see in a second, but I'm just layering them, and you could definitely put either or on top. It does not matter. Now this is like the little idea. I took some scalloped washi from SadiesStickers. This was a $2 Tuesday. So I'm just putting that on top to make it a little extra because it's my birthday week, so I have an excuse. And then I'm going in with some date dots on these beautiful date covers. These macarons look so yummy. These date dots are from my newest edition, and they are in light gold. And I'm just putting those on all the days. I know I usually don't use date cover-ups, but these were so adorable, and I thought that they looked really cute with the kit. So I now I'm going in with my rose colored days flags. These are just solid light gold flags. I'm going to have to pick up some more, but I just used those on the corners, and now I'm going in with going and putting the date covers down. Luckily, I did not have to use whiteout, so that was really nice. So I'm just putting those down to cover up the dates. And next, I'm going in and I'm trying to decide which full box I want to use in the sidebar because I'm going to use a quote from Crafts by Towie. Here it is. It says, "Let's celebrate." And I thought this was perfect because it's my birthday week and the kit is called Celebrate. So I chose this box because it had a little bit of everything in it. It had like the cake and the donuts. So it was absolutely perfect. And then I'm going in with some of those confetti washi strips that she has in the kit. And I'm going in with a habit tracker and then another one of those confetti washis. And then she has 2 strips of washi that I'm going to use to act as a header for the 2 trackers I have. So I'm using a weekly tracker to mark my workouts and then a bow tracker to mark my happy meal for the week. So I decided to use the confetti in between each just as a divider, and then the floral to act as a background. And you can see that I'm using some script from Rose Colored Days. Nikki Plans wrote those, so beautiful. And now I'm going in and scattering all the boxes just to make them even. I had 9 boxes, so I did not use one of them. The one I did not use was the one with the crown. I just wanted to use all the other 8, but they're all so beautiful, and as you can tell, I'm just moving them all around. I didn't want that macaroon box at the top just because of the macaron date covers are at the top, so I wanted to make sure that was at the bottom. And now I'm trying to figure out the date or the headers I wanted to use. I'm definitely using some headers from SadiesStickers. I'm using the really pale light pink that was part of a $2 Tuesday. And then I have these overlays that were a freebie, but she does sell the clear bow overlays in her shop. And I'm using the pink SadiesStickers headers on the full box. And then I'm going to use the light gold rose colored days headers on one of the other boxes. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with those patterned headers that came in the kit. And I'm going to put those down and layer the gold overlays, the bow overlays on top of them, just to add some more bows because all I wanted my birthday spread was tons of light gold foil and tons of bows and all these treats. So it was absolutely perfect. My birthday already did pass. Today is Tuesday, so I will just talk a little bit about my birthday It was amazing. Thank you guys all so much for the birthday wishes. I am so thankful for you all. You guys made it so special. It was so yummy. I was quickly in a food coma. I ate way too much, but it was just amazing. It was so yummy. Literally, I'm going to be dreaming about it for the rest of my life. I'm already planning what I'm going to do for my next birthday because I'm already craving all the foods again. So this kit was absolutely perfect, especially with all the treats. So now I'm going to go in with a box or a scalloped, I guess I spoiled it already, but I'm going in with a panda bird design scallop just to mark that it's my birthday. And I first went in with this heart one, but I decided not to use that one. I ended up going with the bow one because I like that one, and I wanted to use the heart one for work. I was playing around with these Cross by Towie stickers I really wanted to use, but I just didn't use the balloons, but that's okay. I can definitely use that in another spread. I went to Starbucks in the morning, so I'm going to take a Starbucks script from Letters to Apollo and a little coffee cup heart icon from My Newest Addiction. And then to mark dinner, I'm going to use, and like my dessert, which was my donut sundae, was so yummy. I used a half box and then a balloon from that Crafts by Towie sheet, and then a Clever Girl Crafts flag and peonies, and then a paper blush bar meal icon. And then for work, I really wanted to use these floral scallops and a Letters to Apollo script, but it just did not work out, so I ended up going in with the heart scallops from Panda Bird Design and those Letters to Apollo work scripts. Those are her work 2.0. She does have a 1.0 version, but I love the 2.0. I actually finished my sheet in this video, and I already have another open order, so hopefully they are coming soon. So as you could tell, I switched those scallops, and I'm going in now with a camera from Paper Blush Bar to mark that I want to film a haul. And today I ended up not filming a haul, I just did not have time, but hopefully I will film it tomorrow. And then I'm going in and I'm going to use a little confetti circle with a bow from Paper Blush Bar and a dumbbell from My Newest Addiction to mark that I wanted to work out today. I had to use a little bit of undo, and I wanted to use the happy birthday script from Crafts by Towie, but it just didn't work. I didn't like the white background with the pink, so I just ended up writing it in. And I posted a little sneak of this on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me on there. My Life Stuck on Paper. I have it linked down below. And then Wednesday I work, so I just again did the same thing I did on Tuesday with the scallops from from Panda Bird Design, and then the work script from Letters to Apollo. And I wanted this video to go up on Tuesday, so I used a flag from the kit and a bow clip from My Newest Addiction. I had to play around with this a little bit because I just wasn't feeling it, but here you can tell I kept it. And then I ended up using a flag from Clever Gal Crafts in Peonies. This is such a beautiful colorway, one of my favorites. And then I'm taking a water bottle icon from Paper Blush Bar and using that to mark I wanted to work out. And then I have Payday, so I'm trying to figure out how I want to mark that, but I'm going in and using the Rose Colored Days and Nikki Plan's Payday script. That is such a beautiful payday, and I ended up going in with one of those longer horizontal flags. And then I'm going in with a half box to mark that I want my haul to go live. I ended up going with this cake one. I just love this cake. It looks so yummy. And I'm taking 2 Clever Gal Crafts open hearts in the colorway Sophie, and then a haul live script from Letters to Apollo. And then I'm going in again to mark working out with the Paper Blush Bar, bow, circle, and then a My Newest Addiction foot shoe, and then a Panda Bird Design bow divider, which I absolutely love. Those are the transparent ones. She does have a couple different colorways. And then I went in to mark work again on Friday. I didn't have any more work from Letters to Apollo on that sheet, so I ended up using the work from my freebie. So you can get my freebie if you use the code Amanda10, and the work 2.0 is on that sheet. I'm going in again to mark working out, and I'm just using the Paper Blush Bar icon and a Clever Gal Crafts flag. And then I wanted to film on Saturday, so I'm going in with a Letters to Apollo script, and I'm trying to figure out how I wanted to mark filming. and I ended up just using a little camera from Paper Blush Bar. And then I'm going in and move that down just a little bit because I wanted to put a half box at the top to mark that I wanted to start studying for my next licensure exam that I have next week. So I'm going to put that down. I just ended up switching the color of the box to add more pink. And then I'm using a Crafts by Towie laptop. And I ended up moving that down just because I didn't want two flags next to each other. It was throwing me off. And then on Sunday, I'm marking that my Plan With Me will be going live with 2 Clever Gal Crafts hearts and a Letters to Apollo script. Alright guys, that is my spread. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope that you all subscribe and follow me on Instagram at My Life Stuck on Paper, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!